Okay, here we are back out where I saw those blackberries earlier, and some of them are starting to get ripe. So I'm going to come out here, and I have to go back home and get a bowl, but I'm going to come back out here and try to collect enough of these to at least put on some waffles or something. But you see this weed field here, this was all blackberries, and they were taken over by honeysuckle and kudzu, and it just wiped most of them out. Here's that honeysuckle stuff. It's a pretty flower, but it's for sure not any good for blackberries. That wind hasn't been blowing at all until I started talking. You know that happens that way. Now here's some I'm going to come back and pick on. The kudzu's gotten in here pretty good, but we have a pretty good number of ripe blackberries here. Now, don't those look good? Fly, you're going to have to get off there. We'll be back with a waffle or something. Okay, here we are this morning. I hope I have this camera set about right. This is the first time I've tried this chest thing. So I'm going to get out here. I only brought a small container, so I'm not going to try to get many of these. I just wanted to give everybody a few suggestions. If you come out here to do this, these bushes have serious stickers on them. So I got out here early this morning. I'm wearing my boots, I'm wearing jeans, and I also have on these long sleeves. This is a old work hoodie I have. And so I'm going to pick along here. Whoops, I think this is covering my lens up. I'm going to pick along here until I fill this up. And I'd said something in the last clip about some waffles, which I've done before. But I think I'm just going to take these and sweeten them up. And I'm probably going to sweeten these up and then put it on some ice cream. I haven't had ice cream in a long time, and I love ice cream, but I can't keep it at home because I would eat it if I had it there. So about once every month or two, I'll buy a pint and have it. And I think I'm going to take a few of these maybe and put them on some Cheerios. These would also be good in some oatmeal. So I'm going to go around and fill this thing up. And they will ripen over a period of time, so I can come back and get some more if I need to. But I wanted to warn you about one more thing. Now, if you live up in northern climates, you don't have to worry so much. But down here in the south, you have ample opportunities to run across cottonmouths, copperheads, rattlesnakes. We have a lot of it. So watch out for that. That's another reason to wear boots and long pants. You really have to get in here and dig if you want to get some of these things. I know it'd be easier to go to the store, right? Just ain't the same. Just isn't the same. I'd probably have done better if I had this camera on my head. But I'm getting the job done. Okay, so for breakfast this morning, we're having some oatmeal with some butter on it and some buttered toast. And guess what? We're gonna have some of these good berries in it. Now, I didn't put anything on these berries. I separated them, and I have another container of blackberries where I put a good dose of sugar on them, and they're in the refrigerator, and I'm going to have those on the ice cream this afternoon. Now, you could, if you wanted to, take that sugared blackberry and cook it down to a syrup. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to have them raw. But anyway, let me go and enjoy this breakfast, and I'll be back with some ice cream this afternoon. Okay, here we are. Now, let's take a look here. When you get your blackberries home, now you want to take them and run water over them about 3 times. If you saw that picture of that beetle in there, I got that beetle out of my blackberries. They're also little mites, and I don't want to freak anybody out, but there's some larvae in there too. And you'll see little squiggly stuff in your water when you're running that water over them. So run water over them about 3 times, you know, dumping it out each time, and you'll get rid of all those little boogers. Now, if you happen to eat one, it's not going to hurt you. And believe me, you'll get them in the store-bought ones too. So anyway, let's check this out. These are sweetened. I put some sugar in these, and when you take the container out of your refrigerator, there will be some water in there. I poured that off, and like I said earlier, you could boil that down if you wanted to and make it syrup. Good thing I don't buy this too often. I'd weigh 500 pounds. Well, okay, folks, hope you've enjoyed this video, and maybe I'll see you in the briar patch next time.